like the dress and the look, being a bride and everything, but to stay with the man, yeah, mommy just did it for 3 minutes, not a music video.
That's funny, Mom.
Leave it. Yes, I'm serious. Rod, stop no man. You see why I hide from you and do live?
Hide? Hide?
Yes, because you don't behave.
Mommy, I love your hair. It's pretty.
Thank you.
So, wait, what? Is that when you're bald? I see those lines.
Raj, that's a parting. That's not bald, bro.
It looks like bald. Look like Bald and Martin. Put that at me now.
Come now. Come now. Go on back. Go on. Go on now.
Good stay here. Wee, Mom. 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 No, I was talking about
When are you coming to Cali?
Kelly.
Soon.
And let me tell them
Can't tell
something.
you when,
Let me tell
but
them
I'm gonna come
something.
soon.
Can I tell them something?
No, because nobody wants to hear about a Bugatti. It's annoying.
No, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna say that.
What you going to say?
When you want to meet us, you can come to Jamaica.
Oh, what is? No. Mr. Salt. Rogero. Let's go on, yeah? Can you stop?
Okay.
How many times I'm gonna talk to you about the same thing?
Auntie, do you got water? Yeah, my water. Mine is still water.
Hello.
Auntie.
Hello.
Beyonce. Me name.
My rich uncle. Yes, he probably gets a video for Upset.
Upset. Bring the gum. Bring the gum. Bring the gum. Bring the gum.
How old is my son? Wait for him to tell you.
Okay.
How old are you?
5.
I am 5 years old.
I am 5 years old.
My Christmas was alright. It was
And Merry
chilled.
Christmas, everyone. I'll give you presents.
It was chilled.
Wait, Mom.
No!
I'll
You
try-
gotta let
I'll
my
try
tissue.
to fix up that.
Now you coming to Trinidad soon, guys. And everything up again. Tell you more about myself. Well, what you want to know? What you want to know? Anything you want to know? You've never seen me, but you think of me strongly. I don't have a favorite place to perform. My favorite meals to prepare.
Last?
Meal. steam fish, I guess.
Which steam fish? You could have chosen ding dong. And see what the mail says. What the mail says. What the mail says. What the mail says. The mail.
Mail? What mail?
The I-mail.
Email?
Yeah, the email.
I don't know.
Guys, I'm gonna be back.
You